Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can free up disk space in your Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will try a very simple way over here. So first, we will go to our search options and search for File Explorer. Here you can see, and then click on it. After that, we have come over these right sections called this PC. Click on it. After that, you will get local C drive. Click on it, and then we have to go Windows over here. And then we have to find software distribution. Here you can see. So here you can see software distribution. Click on it, and then select all of the file. And now click delete, and now select them all. Okay, some will not be delayed, so it's not a fact. Now close it and delete it from recycle bin 2. Just delete them permanently. So now we will try another thing right now. So first of all, press Windows plus R, and now just go for clean MGR. Okay, so after that we have to write clean MGR over here and press OK. And by this select our C drive. Okay, and here you will get the all temporary file in your C drive. So for that, select all here. Don't worry, they all are made by Windows. So just click OK. And now this 327 MB will be free up in my desktop. So now we will press another time Windows plus R. So move it here. And now we will write appwiz.cpl. So click OK. And by this, all that software is installed in your desktop is over here. So if you don't need any app from this, you can uninstall any of this. How? Just click on this Mr. Horse product. Press your right mouse button and click install. So this is how you can free up your disk space in Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.